Okay. Akala nila sa barko lang kayo magaling. Hindi nila alam, magaling din kayo sa aktingan. Because this game is entitled Picture Frame. Sige. Magbibigay kami ng isang situation and within 30 seconds, okay na po ba yung 30 seconds? 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds, you have to portray the picture. Okay po ba? Of course. One word is enough for a wise man. Kaso 20 yun. Okay. So, magbibigay kami ng scene and then 30 seconds po, magta-time kami. Once the time is up, everyone should freeze. Kapag may gumalaw, walang puntos. Pag hindi gumalaw, then magja-judge si Ma'am Phoebe, si Sir, and then, sino pa po yun? Si Captain Krish. Ayun, tatlo sila. Okay. So, first scenario. Ready na po ba? Walang tatakbo po. Wala po kaming hazard pay dito kapag appendicitis kayo. Okay, first scenario. First scenario is kapag may nag-inspect